What's up guys, Ackeem still here. So in this video I'm going to update on this dual GoPro battery charger right here. So this is a dual battery charger. So someone asked a question if this basically can charge two battery at once. So this is indeed a dual battery charger. That means it will charge two batteries simultaneously. So I'm just gonna put it inside right now to show you guys basically how it works. So you have the battery right here, and this basically I can charge GoPro HERO9, 10 and 11, or even 12, because they're coming now with those type of battery which compatible with this right here. So what you want to do is put this inside. So I'm going to put two battery inside right here, and I'm going to plug this right now. So there should be some light on here. So let me get my GoPro cable. This is the original GoPro cable. I'm going to plug it inside right here, the USB type C. I'm going to plug this end now into my power supply. Now once you plug into your power supply, you can see that right here, two orange light. That means these two batteries right here is charging simultaneously. Now, if these are coming from zero, let's say this one is 0%, this one is 0%, both of these batteries will reach 100% at once. Now, when you reach 100% and it's fully charged, each of these lights right here gonna turn to green. That means these two batteries right here is fully charged. So I hope that answers your question. If you find this very helpful, remember to share it to a friend, subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.